Okay, page 2. This is where you get to pick your x values and then plug them in here to get y. And it looks like when I made this, I may have changed this equation, but I forgot to change it in here. So I'm going to make it x minus 5, and then this should be 3x minus 3. That was just my fault, a typo. Okay, so if I'm doing x minus 5, and I'm going to pick numbers to put in here. Let's say I pick 3. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So when x was 3, y was negative 2. So I have the point 3, negative 2. Okay, then I pick the point 0. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. So 0, negative 5. 0, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I pick, I don't know, positive 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So I have the point 5, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 0. Then let's say I pick 2. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So 2, negative 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then for my last point, when I'm trying to decide what to pick, I probably don't want to pick like negative 3 because I know that's going to give me like negative 8, which is off my graph. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to pick 1. Oops, I don't know why I did that. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So 1, negative 4. 1, negative 4. And what you'll notice, okay, is that it made a straight line. When I connect those, okay, it's a linear equation, so it makes a line. So let's look at the next one. Okay, 3x minus 3. So let's say I pick 2. So 3 times 2, because I picked 2, minus 3. So that's 6 minus 3 is 3. So that gives me the point 2, 3. Okay, I always like to pick 0 because it's an easy one. 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 is negative 3. So 0, negative 3. Okay, I might pick the number 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So 1, negative 1. Wait, I did make a mistake. Here was my mistake. Okay, what I did was, okay, this is my bad. This should have been 3 times 0, right, which is still 0. So here, this should be 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 1, 0. So that one is wrong. Okay, the way that I realized that that was wrong was because as I was looking at it, I was looking and I was thinking, okay, if I'm going to connect these, if I tried to go to this and this, it's not a linear line. Okay, so I figured something was probably wrong. And so you can see how important it is. I made that mistake because I had a 2 there instead of a 3. Okay, so let's keep going, right? Even teachers make mistakes. Okay, if I picked 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm putting a 3 there. So 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 3 is 6. So I have the point 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then I'm connecting, right? I need one more. So I'm obviously going to have to pick negative 1. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Minus 3 is negative 6. So negative 1, negative 6. And then I can connect those. Okay, so I avoided that error. And the next section. Determine whether each ordered pair is a solution of y equals x plus 3. So what we have to keep in mind here is that in our ordered pairs, it's always x and then y. Okay, so this is x, this is y. The equation is y equals x plus 3. So y equals x plus 3. So if this one is y, does 3 equal x, which is 1 plus 3? No, 3 does not equal 4. Okay, here, does 2, the y value, equal 3 plus 3? No, 2 does not equal 6. And then on the last one, if I put in 0 equals x, which is negative 3, plus 3. So does 0 equal 0? Yes. And then for the very bottom section, okay, lines of symmetry are where if you were to fold it, okay, so I know I could fold it along the middle and it would line up, and you'll have to excuse my lines, they're not perfect. Let's see, I could fold it this way. I could fold it right here, oh gosh, right there, right here, and right here. Okay, so if I'd drawn this line in the middle, it would have been a little bit more obvious. And then this is a square. So diagonal, and then that way.